This is the Ngorongoro crater. We're at the viewpoint up top. It's actually Friday, June 10th. We're heading to the Serengeti, but you never know whether you're going to see the view. To the entrance of Serengeti National Park. Of course, we're gonna go get our picture with the park entrance sign because we made it. Serengeti. It's lovely, very exciting. Okay, here's our selfie. Enjoy. Okay, so once again, this is where you drive through. You hear the cicadas, and the sign says it all. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. I'd say this is in the bush. This is what I wanted, in the bush. Close to our...
You've stayed here before?
Yep. And how do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce this where we're staying? Matawi Tented Camp. Oh, I see other vehicles. Yay. Matawi Tented Camp. And we have arrived at our destination for 3 nights. Yay. I'm very happy about not having to unpack again. Such a beautiful backdrop too. I think that's one thing I like about the savannah is because it's open. There's a sense of calm to it, but then you have something that's just cool. I just wanted to see it.
Yeah. It's like antelope. Oh yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. And they don't sound like a gorilla.
Yeah, it's just oh my gosh, look at this. So close and so many. There's just zebra all around. Seeing so many zebra, wildebeest, antelope. We've lost track. We've seen thousands of animals moving around. And see, I never would have known that was an eagle to look at a book that it was an eagle because it's so different with that. So we got to see the second cheetah briefly, and then she.
Yesterday I had another cheetah, but it was in the distance. Now, like, why should I
By the time you
okay.
by the time you get
and
there.
it was so far away.
Yeah.
And for the cheetahs, someone can share me 5 kilometers away.
Too far away,
It's
right?
just gone.
They're gone.
Twice.
Gone by then.
Because they're very mobile.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, we captured 2 cheetahs so far, and 4 leopard, and we've lost
3
count of
leopard.
them. No, 3 leopard. No,
Was
3
it
leopard.
3 leopards? Yeah.
Yes, 3 leopards. That's right. 3 leopards, 2 cheetahs, and then quite a few lions, and even baby lions, and then both male and female. So.
And all the birds.
And tons of birds, tons of giraffe.
Alladin has found us all the birds.
Yeah.
All
Beautiful
350. It's taxing.
The big ones and the small ones. Yeah. Lots of options, lots to see. They are very loud, as you can tell. Little one getting out of the water.
I tried to count. I think I counted 50. But without these.
How many were you counting over there?
I counted about 50 over there.
But you weren't counting these in this section, right?
I didn't see any of these from over here because it was blocked by this tree.
Yeah.
So.
You're not even counting them all, probably. So what do you think of the hippos in Tanzania?
But it's amazing.
Impressive, right?
Probably over 100 hippos in this area right here.
Yeah.
And I know there's more down there too.
Yeah.
Because I've seen some bubbles and spouting. They're pretty loud too.
Oh, they're very loud. They make a very distinctive sound.
So sawa. Eh, enda ratiba ni ile hapo nyumbani nitakuwa saa 10. Asio kumtaa ile alani.
No, go back. There's lions there, so that's a bonus. Yeah, that's what it is, yeah.
You figure all day? They'll come all day? No.
It's just a bigger, it happens to be a bigger group.
Huh? Yes. Yes, that's right.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So 606.
I think he's smiling. Oh, the rhino.
The rhino. So the rhinos.
He's a happy rhino, it's good.
Oh, off in the distance. Black rhino off in the distance.
Another zebra's behind it.
And zooming in on him. So we had an exceptional day because that's really amazing to see that.
Oh, that's zebras.
So just doing a reflection of what we've kind of seen in the Serengeti during the trip. We saw the wildebeest migration. We've seen all three of the cats, lions, cheetah, leopard. The interesting thing is we thought we'd see more leopards in the trees. Like we've seen 3 different leopards. They were all in the trees. And we've seen 4 sets of lions, different lions in trees. So we've seen more lions in trees than leopards. And so our guide let us know that that's very common, but it's a different type of tree they climb because they're thicker than a leopard. So that was interesting. And he said males, when they get to a certain size, don't climb the trees because they're just too front heavy, muscular and things. And so, of course, we've seen giraffe, zebra, warthog, you name it, we pretty much have seen it. Saw the baboons yesterday. And we're here in June of 2022, and that's a time where you just have animals everywhere. One tip that we did not know that our guide Alladin was kind enough to share, we're not experiencing a lot of bugs, but there's tons of bugs around. But he said because we're in the time of year where there's so many animals, the bugs go to the animals to feed. So he said if you come in during a time of year that, of course, there's less animals moving around, like during the migration, there are own animals, he said you're fighting bugs a lot more. And so that's been a blessing in disguise that the bugs have been leaving us alone for the most part. We've seen a few, but really next to nothing. It's been great.